Hi everyone, I'm Leo. In the next video, I'll introduce you to OutSystems, a low-code platform to generate web and mobile applications without the use of code. I'll walk you through the steps to create an account, install Service Studio, and explain you the main areas of this development environment. So if you already know OutSystems or if you want to know more about it, please let me know in the comments. It might be covered in the next videos. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. So the first thing we have to do is navigate to outsystems.com. From there, we can create our virtual environment and download Service Studio, which is the tool we are going to use to create our applications. In this page, we need to fill our first and last names, work email, password, agree to the terms and privacy policies, check if we want or not to receive marketing communications, and click on Get Started for free. In this page, you have to choose the URL for our environment. This URL will be hosted inside OutSystems Cloud Platform. We also need to check our email address, and we can click on Create our Cloud Environment. When we go to the next page, download of Service Studio should start automatically. If it doesn't, you just click Download here. You will notice that in your inbox, you have an email from OutSystems team with a link to confirm your email address. The email you received is similar to this one. And all you have to do is just click on the confirm email address or paste the URL in your browser, and this will redirect you to the OutSystems page. At this time, your environment will be already created. And you can see the URL and the options to create and manage apps. After downloading Service Studio, you can just start installation and go through the wizard. On the installation wizard, you have the option to choose a different folder and the button to install. With installation complete, we can launch the development environment on Service Studio. If it's not showing for you, you can just type its name. You can find it by OutSystems or by Service Studio. When Service Studio opens, you don't have much options besides connect to the environment created previously. To connect to the environment, all we need is the URL we defined in the first steps, our email address, and the password we created inside OutSystems Cloud Platform. After connecting to the environment, you see 3 questions. For now, I'm just choosing the option to create the apps for my own and personal use. And now we are connected, we have the options to create a new application and install an application. Let's create our new application. Now we have to choose the type of application we are building. Is it a reactive web app, tablet app, phone app, traditional web application, or service application? For now, I'll be using the traditional web application. In this step, we have to choose the name of our application. And in the first app, we have the options to add a description, choose the color on the background of the logo, which is automatically created. And we also have the option to upload a different icon. Here we have the list of modules of our application. For now, I will just add a module to have a different name in our module. It can be of 4 types. It's basically a template that OutSystems will generate for us. So it can be a blank module, traditional web application, a service, and an extension. Let's stick to traditional web and create our first module. As soon as the module is created, we land in our development environment. Here in the middle is the place where we'll be coding and dragging and dropping actions to create our code, our pages, and our flows. On the left side, we have the toolbox, which changes according to the type of object we are editing in the main area. On the right side, we have 4 tabs. Interface is the one we'll be using most of the time. Here we'll find your flows from page to page, the list of pages you have, the themes and images inside our application. The logic is where actions are created and defined. So here we have actions from server, integrations, roles for different user types, and exceptions. On Data tab, we have the description of our database, diagrams, structures, session variables, everything that is related to data is present in this tab. Process is used to schedule jobs. So we define a process with its tasks and timers to schedule it when it will be triggered and if it be a recurrent job. Still on the right side, in the lower part, we have the properties window. So every object we choose on the left or the active object will have its properties listed down here. And we can change those properties just like any other visual programming interface. On the bottom, we have an important area. This is a kind of validator which keeps checking our code consistency as we are developing it. So if some inconsistency appears, we know right away that we need to fix something. We also have the debugger where we define breakpoints, which threads are running, which user information. On the top side, we have the magic button. This is the one-click publish button. This is the button that we'll press when we are ready to test our website or application. It will compile all the code, send it to OutSystems Cloud. Going to the left, we have the options to manage our modules, to manage dependencies, and even to compare and merge code with the latest version. Undo and redo, and options to give feedback. Still on the top, on the right side, we have the search button, where we can search for any object or action inside our module. Well, this was a brief introduction to OutSystems, so you can have an idea of its interface and the main sections. In the next video, we are going to create a simple web application, so you can see how fast and easy it is to create an application using OutSystems. We will also deploy and test it in OutSystems Cloud Platform. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you on the next video.